Motivation is overrated. And I say that very deliberately because no one in the world stays motivated forever. If your performance depends on motivation, your performance will always fluctuate. We've been taught that motivation creates success. Watch something inspiring, feel the high, take action. But motivation is a mood, and moods are unstable. Performance, on the other hand, is biological, and biology does not care about your mood, it cares about regulation. To understand why lifestyle drives performance more than motivation, we need to understand biorhythms. Your nervous system is not wired for intensity, it is wired for harmony. Every emotional spike eventually returns to baseline. That is how the brain maintains stability. Dopamine driven excitement feels powerful. It feels energizing. It feels like now I can conquer the world. But dopamine spikes. And anything that spikes must come down. If your productivity is built on emotional highs, your crash is inevitable. And many people today are living in that cycle. Spike, crash, guilt, repeat. But your body does not operate in spikes, it operates in biorhythms. Hormones fluctuate across the day. Serotonin rises gradually in the morning, melatonin prepares you for the rest in the night. Energy is not constant. It was never meant to be constant. Women have cyclical hormonal rhythms across the month. Even men have hormonal fluctuations through the day. Nature has seasons. Your body also has seasons. So expecting constant motivation is biologically unrealistic. Now let's address the real confusion. What most people call motivation is actually dopamine. Dopamine is anticipation hormone. It creates excitement, it creates drive. Social media amplifies this dopamine. Motivational content fires up dopamine. It feels like a jolt, like a pump. But that pump crashes. Serotonin is different. Serotonin builds slowly. It stabilizes mood. It supports sustained focus. It does not spike dramatically, but it sustains. And sustained performance is built on stability, not stimulation. This is where lifestyle becomes powerful. Sleep regulates hormones. Nutrition affects neurotransmitter production. Movement stabilizes mood and improves emotional regulation. Structure reduces decision fatigue. When your lifestyle supports your nervous system, you don't need to feel inspired every day. High performers do not wait for inspiration. They build routines that work even when they don't feel like working. Athletes train when they are tired. Professionals execute under pressure, not because they are motivated, but because discipline reduces dependency on mood. And here is a deeper truth. Momentum creates motivation, not the other way around. When you act consistently, even without excitement, your system stabilizes. And stability creates confidence. Confidence creates ease. Ease creates sustainable performance. Success is not a motivational event, it is lifestyle regulation. If you chase dopamine spikes, you will burn out. If you stabilize your biology, performance becomes predictable. Motivation is temporary. Alignment is sustainable. The people who win long term are not the most inspired, not the most motivated, they are most regulated. Because when your lifestyle supports your nervous system, performance stops depending on mood and starts depending on structure. And structure outlasts inspiration.